ladies and gentlemen, we turn to the Congress party's internal conflict. After non-stop closed-door meetings, strategic breakfasts, choreographed photo ops and endless rounds of political whisper campaigns, what is the final outcome of the Karnataka power struggle? Well, nothing today. But what we are beginning to be told, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar were flown into Delhi. They met the High Command together, then separately, individually, then met each other. All this while sources from both camps kept leaking information. After hours of political suspense, when the dramatis personae finally appeared before the cameras, the country expected clarity on the leadership question. Instead, what came out was a blanket denial that any power struggle even existed.
I don't want to discuss anything. Whenever our party high command will ask us to go to Delhi, we definitely will go to Delhi.
देखिए इसमें मैं नहीं बोल सकता, वो ठीक अलग है. राहुल जी खुद बात करेंगे वो चीजों पे.
Today entire discussion is only concentrated on coming Rajya Sabha elections and council elections of Karnataka. Whatever speculation you people are doing, that is only speculation, no reality at all.
Well, the big scoop on Karnataka power tussle. Top sources are telling Times Now that Siddaramaiah will resign after Rajya Sabha elections. In fact, some people are even saying that it could be over the next few days, any time, because Rahul Gandhi did give an indication that it's time for him to leave the top job, give an opportunity to the others. What's happening on the ground? Well, my colleague Imran joins me on the show. In fact, all we know about is the status of tussle in Karnataka is still in the realm of speculation. And Imran, take us through the details.
Well, as you rightly pointed out, there was a lot of intense discussion happened between Rahul Gandhi and senior leadership there. Even though they came out and said it was only about Rajya Sabha, it was anything but Rajya Sabha, their discussion which happened. Rahul Gandhi asked Siddaramaiah that thanking him services the time for him to make way for others. This is what Rahul Gandhi exactly told him, that make way for others. And Siddaramaiah said that I have always said that what you decide, I will abide by it, and he will step down. But he asked some time for a couple of days to step down as the chief minister. They agreed for it. Rahul Gandhi wanted him to come to the Delhi. They said that they will either you want choose whichever way you want to. I want him also in the CWC, take national interest. Siddaramaiah flatly refused, saying that he doesn't want to come to Delhi and he wants to go back. Now this is a big decision for the Congress because he's a very strong OBC leader. They do not want to be seen as unceremoniously removing the chief minister. Just being an MLA will be embarrassment for the party and especially for the OBC. There could be a possible revolt over it. They're trying to contain and still trying to ask Siddaramaiah to come to Delhi and change his mind. But he has flatly refused. After meeting Rahul Gandhi, he straight went to KJ George's residence. His close confidant, all the senior cabinet ministers were there, who his close cabinet colleagues, and they've asked Siddaramaiah not to go down easily and probably even call for a CLP meet and decide over it. But Siddaramaiah has said he is going to step down. We have to wait and see what follows further as politics still continues.
We've seen in the past, Imran, what happened in Punjab when the leadership change took place. Now, Siddaramaiah has been told in no uncertain terms that he must step down. Yet, they haven't been able to make the announcement of the replacement of D.K. Shivkumar yet. Does that mean endless rounds of kabhi haan, kabhi na? Well, we'll wait and watch. Going across to the debate as I thank Imran. Joining us are Tehseen, Vivek, Anand and Pradeep on the show, and Tehseen Poonawalla. Tehseen Poonawalla, clarity is a word that probably does not exist in the thesaurus of the Congress party. But what is this musical chairs? Both of them summoned various rounds of breakfast that were going on in the morning, then meeting with one, meeting with the other, meeting all together. Every combination was tried, and at the end, media was told they are speculating. And now it turns out that Siddaramaiah was asked to go. Please explain what is going on in Karnataka. It's going to be 3 years. We still don't know what's going on.
You're not meant to know.
Oh,
Fact is, yeah, you're not meant to
so
know.
the
You want to
state,
speculate. You
the
don't have
state
any
will
source.
remain in this suspended.
The state is the second best performing state and the highest on getting FDI into India. On all parameters, the second most performing as per the union government. But let me ask you, Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar are a team like Atal ji and Advani ji. They are a team like Nehru ji and Vallabhbhai Patel ji. They are an unbeatable team. And BJP.
You last meet DK Shiv Kumar, Tehseen Poonawala or
I
Siddaramaiah?
spoke to him a couple of days. He is absolutely loyal to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra ji and the Congress, and he will continue to, and Rahul ji and Kharge
Oh,
ji. And he will continue to- and
I'm
he
so
will
glad
continue
you
to-
mentioned everybody in a script. PS. He's most loyal to Priyanka ji, but then also Congress,
Rahul ji
also
and
Rahul ji,
Siddaramaiah and,
also Kharge
Kharge
ji.
ji,
You know, Anand Ranganathan. Is this a joke that's going on, and is Tehseen just adding to the comedy show that's going on?
Well, the fact of the matter is that the numbers are stacked in favor of Mr. DK Shivkumar. He has 19 cases against him, whereas Mr. Siddaramaiah has only 13 criminal cases against him. So by virtue of that, he should be the next chief minister. No, but on a serious note, Navika, have you noticed what usually happens when Congress wins a state? Shall I go to Punjab? Oh, wait, let me go to Himachal. Oh, no. Let me go to Rajasthan. Let me not come to Kerala
No,
yet.
Chhattisgarh, make a detour to Chhattisgarh as well.
हाँ थोड़ा मैं उधर से आ रहा हूँ अभी उधर जाने वाला था लेकिन मैं तहसीन से पूछता हूँ his very good friend and Tehseen was silent which I did not expect it from him when sedition charges were put on Sachin Pilot. Tehseen, why were you silent?
No, I stood up for Sachin. Asked Sachin that. And I said it was wrong.
But
It
nobody
shouldn't have
else in
happened.
the party did.
And
Nobody
Sachin-
else
and-
in the party
No,
did.
no, and
Tehseen
no,
was
Sachin-
found standing alone next to Sachin Pilot.
No, and
and
Sachin
you
is the future
forgot,
of Rajasthan.
Anand Ranganathan, I really have a problem.
Sachin is
Please
the future of Rajasthan.
start having some memory pills. Kerala आप भूल गए थे. Kerala में भी अभी हुआ है.
Actually रसम में गरम मसाला डाल रहा हूँ पंजाबी बना रहा है इसलिए my memory is being affected. But let me come to the fact that the problem with Congress is that it never chooses a face that is accepted by the people of the state that it wins. It's same problem I can foresee is happening in Kerala. Vivek is licking his lips. अभी तक तो सिर्फ JNU और मीडिया में कम्युनिस्ट हैं ये केरला में दोबारा आएंगे because Congress is going to axe its own feet. This is the history of Congress. Prove me wrong.
Vivek Srivastava, you know, it's important for opposition parties to win states, and in states that they are in governance, they should give a stable governance. But this Karnataka, and please don't be, like K.C. Venugopal and say it's only media speculation. You know, for the last 2.5 years, there have been speculations that, Siddaramaiah for 2.5 years, then DK Shivkumar. You know, this whole process of taking decisions, first is avoided, then postponed, and then probably handled very sloppily. Same case in Karnataka now?
Yeah. See, yes. Now I'll tell you now. Dr. Ranganathan was, counting the cases of DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah. Dr. Ranganathan never counts the cases on Yogi Adityanath when he became the chief minister of UP. किस तरह के केसेस थे, कौन से केसेस थे, कितने केसेस थे, ये सिलेक्टिव एमनेसिया हो जाता है. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन केरला चले गए, हिमाचल चले गए, डॉक्टर रंगनाथन मध्य प्रदेश भी चले जाते. शिवराज सिंह चौहान ने इलेक्शन जितवाया, दौड़ाया बीजेपी, यहाँ भगाया, वहां भगाया और उठा करके ले आया केंद्र में.
This is the awakening of BJP.
Congress is doing. Why is it paining people?
Shivraj Chauhan won
Same
Madhya
thing is
Pradesh.
happening in
And then look at his
Karnataka.
gracious
If
exit.
Mr. Siddaramaiah is going to get a Rajya Sabha berth, all is well in the Congress. It's not on your mind, Dr.
So Vivek Srivastava is breaking on the show that Siddaramaiah is getting a Rajya Sabha berth. I was told he has rejected that. Have you joined the reporting
so
team?
what?
Let me.
Even if he does or he doesn't.
I think
it's all
everybody.
good there.
Vivek ji, I think everybody is confused with Nitish ji out here, who got a Rajya Sabha after chief minister. But let me say, and let me put this on record, Siddaramaiah and DKG are one team, and just like how Modi ji and Amit Shah ji are
We
unbreakable, they are
believe you.
unbreakable.
We believe
They
you,
are
Tehseen.
unbreakable.
Even Congress does not believe
Everything
Tehseen
that you say, we believe you absolutely.
Yes.
But
Yeah,
it's
and they went there for
it's
the
still been
development
3 years
Well,
of
Lavika
all
ji.
kinds of
Well,
musical chairs, and we still don't know what
Well,
the
Lavika ji,
decision
today
in
I am
Karnataka.
extremely sad, particularly from my friend Anand. Because for the first time ever in a debate, Anand has missed the moot point. Let me play a video. कौन कांग्रेस में कैसे मुख्यमंत्री बनता है सुनो.
किसी पार्टी ने आपके पैसे की डिमांड करी अगर
नहीं, हमसे किसी ने नहीं की, पर सीएम वही बनता है जो 500 करोड़ का टैक्सी देता है।
500 करोड़ की जो अटैची देता है वही मुख्यमंत्री कांग्रेस में बनता है. This is not what I am saying. This is Navjot Kaur Sidhu who said it.
Please do not underestimate the contributions of Mr.
Navika,
DK
fine.
I am
Shiv Kumar.
not. So जो इनमें से
Navika,
अटैची
I'm gonna
देने का
make a
बन जाएगा.
prediction.
इनको कर्नाटक से कुछ नहीं पड़ा है. That is the reality. तहसीन also does not know किसने ज्यादा बड़ी अटैची दी है क्योंकि दोनों बड़ी बड़ी अटैची दे सकते हैं. That's the reality. ये भ्रष्टाचार के मस्त है, इनको कोई जनता से नहीं. इसलिए कांग्रेस has never given a repeated government in the last 12 years because Congress is only focused on giving attachy और 5 साल बाद चले जाते हैं power से.
Well, Anand,
Yes. I'm going to make a prediction. DK Shiv Kumar will be the Chief Minister of Karnataka from the BJP.
well, I don't know. I don't know what are you saying, but we've seen such situations. T.S. Singhdev and Bhupesh Baghel in Chhattisgarh, Ashok Gehlot, Sachin Pilot in Rajasthan. We've seen Sukhu versus all the other Veerbhadra Singh family in Himachal Pradesh, in Punjab. We all saw what happened. Well, is Karnataka next? We hope not. It's a large state. It's an important state for the Congress party. Can there be a smooth transition of power, or are there shenanigans around the corner? We'll wait and watch. For now, the information that we are getting is Siddaramaiah nudged to step down. Is DK Shiv Kumar going to take over sooner than later, maybe in a few days from now? Or once again, is Siddaramaiah going to dig his heels in? And are we then going to see another ugly fiasco in Karnataka? It's all happening in Karnataka's Congress government. We'll wait and watch this space. Good for news. I don't know if it's good for Congress. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you, viewers, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. With that, it's a wrap. Good night. Be safe. I'll be back tomorrow.